Welcome to this tutorial on the Splunk Search Processing Language floor command. The floor command is an essential function for rounding down numeric values to their nearest integer. This command is particularly valuable for data binning and grouping operations, allowing you to organize numerical data into clean, discrete categories for better analysis and visualization. The basic syntax for the floor command uses the eval command followed by the floor function. You write pipe eval, then your new field name equals floor, and then the numeric field in parentheses. This syntax returns the largest integer that is less than or equal to the input value. The floor function always rounds down, regardless of whether the decimal portion is large or small. Let's look at some basic examples to understand how floor works. For positive values, floor of 4.7 returns 4, and floor of 9.1 returns 9. Notice how it always rounds down to the nearest whole number. For negative values, the behavior is different. Floor of negative 2.3 returns negative 3, and floor of negative 7.8 returns negative 8. With negative numbers, rounding down means moving further away from 0. In practical Splunk queries, you'll commonly use the floor command to create new fields with rounded values. For example, pipe eval response _time rounded equals floor of response _time creates a new field with whole number response times. Similarly, pipe eval price _floor equals floor of product _price rounds down product prices. These rounded fields make your data cleaner and easier to analyze in subsequent operations. One of the most powerful applications of the floor command is data binning for analysis. Here we create age groups by dividing age by 10, applying floor, then multiplying by 10 again. This groups users into decades like 20s, 30s, and 40s. The stats count by age _group command then counts how many users fall into each age bracket, providing valuable demographic insights for your analysis. The floor command is also excellent for time-based grouping. This example extracts the hour from the timestamp, divides by 4, applies floor, then multiplies by 4 to create 4-hour time blocks. The result groups events into periods like 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, and so on. This technique helps identify patterns in your data across different time periods of the day. It's important to understand how floor differs from other rounding functions. For the input 4.7, floor returns 4 by rounding down, ceil returns 5 by rounding up, and round returns 5 by rounding to the nearest integer. For negative 2.3, floor returns negative 3, ceil returns negative 2, and round returns negative 2. Floor is unique because it always moves toward negative infinity, regardless of the decimal portion. Let's summarize the key takeaways about the floor command. First, floor always rounds down to the nearest integer, making it predictable and consistent. Second, it's perfect for data binning and grouping operations when you need to categorize continuous numerical data. Third, it's particularly useful for creating time intervals and age groups in your analysis. Finally, remember that with negative values, floor rounds further away from 0, which is different from simple truncation. Master the floor command, and you'll have a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing your numerical data in Splunk. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.